I will start in 1 minute. Yeah, hello everyone. So we can start now. So I just want quick response from everyone on team chat. Like how many of you have completed all last assignment? Put yes if you have completed, put no if you haven't completed. So I'm talking about last 7 assignment. Completed. Only one person with no. Seventh is remaining partially. Oh, but still I can't see many response. So I'm not sure. What about others? I don't see like we have 30 response. Whatever learning you are doing here, that is fine. But until unless you will not do assignment, like it will not, this training program will not be much helpful. Okay. So if anyone is not doing this all, like you will not get proper benefit what you are looking from here. Okay, so not sure like why you are not completing what other region you have, but you will not get proper benefit. So it's your choice. You want to get proper benefit or you want to be part of this course. Okay, so I have seen few people has replied like assignment. Okay, so I will do only seventh assignment. And then we'll go with next topic. Okay, so for seventh assignment, can you send me that seventh assignment only in chat. In team chat, just send me seventh assignment. Someone is saying my sound has echo. So is it still there? Still echo is there, or you can hear me properly? Can anyone tell me like my sound has echo?
No, Ravi, it's clear.
No, Ravi, it's clear.
Yes, so that might be issue from his side only. Okay, and it seems someone has already did team recording, so that's fine. Okay, so coming to this seventh assignment. So here you can see we need to develop API which can accept any number starting from 1 till 100, 200, whatever. Okay, it can accept any number. Okay, but here we have condition like we must need to use first successful component. Okay, must need to use first successful component, and we need to develop our API in such a way if number is except 2 and 7, then first branch will be executed. Yeah. And if value is except 7, okay, so what other value can be possible? If it is except 2 and 7, this branch will be executed. Now there will be two more possibility, either 2 or 7. So this second branch will be executed. This second branch will be executed if number is except 7, means that number should be 2. Okay. And this third branch should be executed when number is or not any of these numbers. So what will be rest number? That is 7. Okay. And we can write this program in different way, but here we are trying to learn first successful. Okay, so we must need to use that component. Okay, so in first successful, what we have seen, always it will go for branch 1. If branch 1 will be successful, okay, let's say here we have 3 branch. Okay, so whenever we will make request, it will always go in branch 1. Okay, if branch 1 is successful, then this branch will be executed and done. If due to any reason this branch 1 will fail, then it will go to branch 2, and if branch 2 is successful, then done. Okay, again new request will come. Let's say it's successful in branch 1, then done. Again new request come. Let's say it's a fail here. It's this one is successful, then done. Again new request came. This one failed, then it will go to branch 2. Branch 2 also failed, then it will go to branch 3. And if this is successful, then done. Again, new request will come. This will also fail. This will also fail. This will also fail. Then this entire component will fail. But any of this branch, if any of this branch will be successful, then this component will be treated as successful. Okay. So every time it will start from branch one until any of the branch will be successful. If it is fail, then it will go here. If it is also this one also fail, then it will go here. So any of these branch should be successful and it will start processing from branch one. Okay. So our first case is number should be anything except 2 and 7. So what I will do, in one transform also, but I'm doing in two transform message. To make this branch fail, what I will do, let me we will pass that number. Let's say we are passing that number in query parameter. So what I will do to make this fail, okay, this branch should fail if that number is either 2 or 7. So to make this possible, what I will do, above you can put anything. Let's say we are dividing 10 by this number. Can anyone tell me what will be result of this if we are passing number equals to 2? If I am passing number equals to 2, then what will be result? What will be value of division?
It's 10 by
Infinity.
0 means it's
Infinity.
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 Okay. And in data wave, it will not support infinity, so data wave expression will fail.
Sir, it will not execute, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, it will not execute.
Means technically you are saying, or
No, sir. Like 10 by 0 is not support. So
Yeah.
it will go to the second branch.
Yeah, correct. So our objective is if number 2 or 7, this first branch will be executed anything except 2 and 7. So if 2 and 7 will be there, then first branch will fail. So we will put this expression in first branch. Okay. So our first branch will fail here if we are passing number as a 2 or 7. If we will pass anything else, then there will not be error and we will get result is branch 1. Coming to second branch. So in second branch, what is the condition? We will have second case where we are passing 2 or 7. Except 2 or 7, everything will be executed, everything will go in branch 1. When it will come for branch 2 or branch 3, if we are passing number equals either 2 or 7. But what is the requirement for second branch? Number should be anything except 7. Okay. So here what I will do, we will just remove this 2 part. Okay. Now if that number will be 7, 7 minus 7, 0, 10 divided by 0, infinity, and that will fail. Okay. So second branch will be successful. Okay. And will branch, what we will do, this branch should be executed if that number is 7. Okay. So if it will be anything except 2 and 7, this will be executed. If it will be 7, then this will also fail, since 7 minus 7, 0, 10 divided by 0. So this will also fail. So if number will be 7, then it will come here. And so without writing this condition also it will work. But if you want, you can write. Since if number will 7, that will definitely fail here and here. It will come here. So we don't need to even make this expression. In case of 7, it will come here and it will execute. Anyone has any doubt on this part?
Ravi, can you please explain this one more time?
So what we are trying here, first successful, what happened? If there will be any failure in branch 1, then it will go to branch. If there will be any failure in branch 1 and branch 2, it will go for branch 3. Okay, so it will keep going for next branch if there will be failure in parent branch. Here, our objective, like what we need to do, our result should be branch 1 executed. When we want to display this, if we are passing any number except 2 and 7. So if it is 2 and 7, then branch 1 should not execute. So what I am doing here, if my number is coming as a 2 or 7, then I am creating error. How I am creating error? So here I have written one data type expression where I am dividing one number with what number I am passing in query parameter minus 2. If my number is 2, then 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, 10 divided by 0, that will be infinity. So data wave expression will fail. Same here, we are multiplying this. If we are passing number equals to 7, so 7 minus 7, 0. 0 into this anything. So it will be again 0 and 10 divided by 0. So if we are passing 7 also, then also it will fail. So if we will pass 2 or 7, then this expression will fail and branch 1 will fail. So it will go to branch 2 and branch 2 will execute. Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear, Ravi.
Yeah, we are just trying to create error if like based on the condition, what we have condition. So based on the condition, we are trying forcefully, we are trying to create error. So what is base path? Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so first successful. Let's say first, let's say we are passing 5. So branch 1 executed. So this is as per expectation. If we will pass anything except 2 and So this is as per expectation. Now I'm passing 2. Okay, so in case of 2, branch 2 should be executed. Since there is one error in this part, so it will go to next branch. Okay, now this branch should be successful since we are dividing by 7. So this is successful, and what happened? So we need to do. Everyone go on mute if you are not speaking anything. Please be on mute. So first branch failed, then second branch it will complete, and result will be branch 2. Okay, and if we will pass any, like if we will pass 7, then branch 3 should be executed. Okay, since branch 2 will also fail, and then it will go to branch 3, and that will be successful. Branch 3 executed. Everyone clear on this part? If yes, then we will.
Yes, sir.
Hi Ravi. Could you
Yes.
explain once breakpoint? Actually, I used breakpoint and I got failed actually that day.
Sorry.
Can you explain once breakpoint related to breakpoint?
Okay, breakpoint when we are doing debug mode. Okay, at that point, at that time, like if you want to debug at particular place, okay, you can add breakpoint there. Let's say I want to debug at this place. Okay, so do right click and add breakpoint. So if you will have seen previous cases, directly my control was going till this place, but now I have added breakpoint. So whenever I will make request, So my request will stop at this place. Okay, at this place, on this first successful request will come and it will stop here. It will pause here. Okay, and you can do all kind of analysis here. You can see what is the value of payload, attribute, everything you will able to see. Okay, and then you can do next, and you can analyze all the components. Okay, generally we use breakpoint to pause our flow at particular component level.
Ravi, for
Is it clear?
uh, Ravi, for same first transform message, can we use like set payload
First transform message.
for that?
What do you want to do?
Can I use set payload?
Yeah, you can use. You can.
Okay.
Today we are going to discuss on that part only. So just after this assignment, we'll discuss all these three components: set payload, set variable, and transform message. Which situation we will use which component.
Okay.
Anyone has any other doubt? Then you can ask. Otherwise, we'll start our today's session for new topics.
Yes, sir. I have one doubt. Sir, can't we put our condition and result in the same transform message?
Yeah, you can do. As I mentioned there, you can do things in multiple way. Okay, to make it like more visible, I did in this way.
Okay.
And this is just a dummy example. Okay, you will not get this kind of thing in real life. But as I mentioned, very rarely you will get this component in use. Okay, so and that's why I don't have any real-time example ready for this component. So far, I never used this component in project work. But still, we have this capability, so we should have idea what this component do. Maybe in future, very rarely you will get that use case. So you will able to take advantage of this.
Ravi, same example we can do by using choice also, no?
Yeah, you can do. Okay, so let's proceed. What I'm doing, we are going to start a new discussion. So let me start recording and sorry, stop and start recording again.